to start with, just do the basic tuck as you do for every sari. So this is the non-pallu side. I'm going to tuck it on my right. Take one round. And tuck it back here. And then I always suggest to tuck the whole sari like all over to the pallu. So I'm going to make some thin pleats. For my left shoulder. One thing you have to make sure for a half and half sari is that the new color should end up just where your pleats begin. So as you can see, this blue part comes here. So I take a little piece and I tuck it in the middle of my stomach. Now I have this loop here which I am going to pleat. So there I have all my pleats. If you see here, I did not put the pleats one on top of another, but I spaced them like 1 centimeter. So you'll have a nice fan for your pleats. So once you have the pleats, you can arrange them, shake, and now you can tuck it. This part, it's already kind of arranged. I'm going to bring the border for this particular sari. Since the outer border is quite pretty, I'm going to hide the inner border. Now take a safety pin and pin the sari on with your blouse. You can make it a little loose here just to add some added. So the border shows from here when it comes up here. I hide it. Going to pin it up now. So as you can see, because of the fan effect in the pleats, when I walk there is a very nice flow over here. And to add some glamour to the look, here I have a belt. Bring it around your waist. So there I have my sari done. I'm going to walk in the front so you can see me closer. So thanks for